The Rotary Club of London West and London South and Nature London, all three organizations, have paid some money into this so that we can sponsor this tree planting here today. We have representatives from all of the organizations, and it's a wonderful day, and we're doing a wonderful tree planting job.
Trees are good, and yeah.
And it feels even better doing something good for the city.
We have the First Strathroy, and we have the 20th London Scout group here today. So we have beavers, we have cubs, and we have scouts. So all sections, and they're just continuing to actually practice our Scout Promise, which is helping to do our duty, which is obviously what everyone needs to be doing. And we also have a commitment. We have a Scout Trees program, which is a national program, and we commit to planting trees every year. So we're just actually very excited to be working with the Upper Thames on this particular project, and yes, we love it. Doing our best, planting and making a difference.
Ooh, sweet.
Yeah.
It's wonderful to be outside in this weather and helping this ecology project. And of course, London West Rotary and Upper Thames is always working towards doing environmental concerns. So just a great day for everybody, for nature and for Rotary and for the Upper Thames and for the City of London.
Thank you.
Yeah, many hands make light work.